Hello guys, welcome to this video. So on this video, I'm going to teach you how to actually log in your Facebook account without using your phone number or Gmail. So let's dive in. So what you want to do first is to go to another Facebook account. Maybe you have two Facebook accounts and you don't have the other one login. So simply come to here and copy your QR code, which is profile QR code. Or if you don't have another Facebook, you can actually tell your family member or friends to copy and send it to you. So I've already copied my own. So I'm going to click on forgot password. So when you come, after clicking that, so it's come to where it says search email. So I'm going to copy the QR code that I paste right here. So I'm going to click on continue. So it's actually say we can't find your account. So I think I'm going to use another browser. So I'm going to come to Chrome and type Facebook.com. So I'm going to click on forgot password, and right I'm going to paste the QR code that I've copied. So if it's showing that, I'm just going to use the name, which is Isabel Flores. Flores. I'm going to search for it. So you can see that my account is actually here. So I'm just going to click on that. This is my account. So click on. So they're going to send you a code, but to your email or your phone number. But if you don't have any of that available at the moment, you can just click on try another way. So here are four options: either your password, send code to your SMS, or send code via your Facebook account to receive the code, or send code via email. So if you don't have any of these, you can actually tell them to send the code to your Facebook, or just type in the password. So I'm just going to click on it and I'm going to put my password. So I'm waiting for it to load. It's processing. So it says that it looks like you enter a slight misspelled word. Okay, let me just try it again. So it's redirecting me to this Facebook app. So I'm just going to minimize it. So I'm come back to you. So let's see what else happened. Let me just refresh it. Continue. Okay. So you can see that I'm actually logged into this account. So, sorry guys, my network is slow and it's kind of shaking. So you can see that I'm correctly logging in the account without using my phone number or email, only password and QR code. So thank you guys. In case you didn't know the password or you forgotten your password, there is another way in doing this. So you can find the video on my channel. I actually made a video on how to recover your Facebook account or log in your Facebook account. So you just have to click on that video. That is the other method on logging your Facebook without email or password. So see you guys. Have a nice day.